UN extends Lebanon peace mission by 1 year but reduces troops. The number of coronavirus cases across the world crossed 24 million. China announces to reopen school in Wuhan. 6 members of Syria military intelligence kills in the Daesh attack. UN calls for action to increase women in peacekeeping. The 9th of Muharram being observed countrywide today in Pakistan. Protest in Mauritius over the oil spill, dozens of dead dolphins. UAE lifts economic financial boycotts of Israel. Deadly firefight in Lebanon sparks warning of more sectarian trouble. Modi secular masterplan for Indian Kashmir.